Hey folks, Steve with TacMed TV here. Going to tell you a little bit about EMS World Expo 2018. And that's going to be going on in Nashville, October 29th through November 2nd. We're going to be down there. I know if you've watched some of my other videos, you've seen me talking about, hey, we're going. You know, we're going to be there. We're going to be going around the exhibit hall. We're going to be talking to the vendors. We're going to be talking to attendees. Because it seems like this year at the Expo, it seems like it's going to be a little bit more geared towards active shooter hostile environment type training and lectures and presentations, along with the other stuff that, you know, you've always get the critical care component. And then of course you've got nowadays you've got the community paramedicine component that's going to be going on. You've got a BLS track and an ALS track and a management track, leadership track, so on and so forth. There's going to be a lot going on at the Expo, but just to let you know, we are going to be there, planning on being there the whole week. We'll be there wide open on Wednesday because I think that's when the exhibit hall opens up, and that's when we're going to be there in full force. The earlier 2 days might just be me walking around, just trying to get the lay of the place and and how things are gonna lay out and how I need to traverse on Wednesday and Thursday. So anyway, but I want to make sure you guys know about it. It's coming up. Please try to make it. It's going to be some really good stuff going on there this year. It looks to be phenomenal. Some of the people they've got coming in to do keynotes, I'm actually going to try to contact some of those folks and try to set up an interview to talk to some of these keynote folks. We'll see how that works out. Don't know if that'll be able to be done or not, but I'm definitely going to try because I think you guys are worth it. For those of you that can't come to Nashville, Tennessee to see the Expo this go around, I'm going to try to get that done for you. So anyway, with that being said, as with the channel, let me know what you like, let me know what you don't like. I can't make it better if I don't know what I need to fix. So let me know, okay? Appreciate you all watching the videos. If you're new to the channel, you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. You know, down there, right, I mean, I'm trying to think where it would be. It's going to be down here somewhere. There'll be a subscribe button, and then right besides that, the little bell notification. So if you would hit that, and you'll get a notification each time I put a video out. It's excuse me, golly, I'm just coughing my head off. We've got some stuff coming up leading up to EMS Week Expo, or excuse me, EMS World Expo 2018. Gonna try to get some more stuff. I'm gonna try to get some more skill lab stuff. You guys seem to really enjoy the skills when we do those and things like that. I've just been kind of hampered with not really having access to training mannequins to do like intubations and airway classes like I would like to do, or things of that nature. But I think I've got that worked out now. And I'll save that. The person that's hooking me up with that, I'll save that till we get to that video, and I'll introduce him at that time. But anyway, thank you for watching the channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Please hit the like button. Let me know what you like, let me know what you don't like in the comment section below so I can make the channel better. And until next time, you guys stay safe, and hopefully I'll get to see you guys at EMS World Expo 2018 in Nashville, Tennessee. You guys stay safe.